Hey guys, so welcome to another video. In this session, well this video we're actually fishing for eels. I've got one in the net now. So I'll try and unhook it, unless he already has. He's going psycho. Come here. Yeah, he's already unhooked himself. So what you see now is footage on a different day. It's currently late afternoon. It's about 5:30. This is the first eel. The rest of the footage you're going to see is from a different day, like I've already said. But this is a slimy, horrible thing, especially in this sun. It's probably about £1 that fish, but it's what we're after. And I'm glad we caught him there. So I think I'll slip him back before he makes my hands all horrible. But, yeah, slap yourself in the face, that's good. I might not use the net. But there he is. And I hate these things. I'm going to slip back. I'm going to put him on the other side of the lot around. I'm going to chuck him back in because I don't want to catch it again. But that'll caught on 3 maggots. And I'll show you the rig in just a second that I'm using. And because he's drying out, he's going to go slowly back. And move that out of the way. Yeah, he can swim off now. Nice colour on it. Okay, so I'll just let that eel go. I'll run over my rig when I've untangled it. Basically, all it is just a feeder rig. Let me sort this out. Should have done this before. Take the camera. Right. Anyway, so as you can see, there's a buffer. There's a rig stop there, just above a loop-to-loop knot, because I ran out of swivels, or I would have had that connected to a snap swivel or something. Right, there we go. That's a 16 hook on a £4 line, yes, £4 hook length, down to a massive, it's like a 3-ounce maggot feeder. I didn't buy this, I actually found it in a river, but for this, I'm not casting it out anywhere. It's a nasty everything, but it's the biggest feeder I've got, and that's what I want, just to dump tons of bait down the bottom. So in this case, it's loads of maggots, and that's stopped with another rig stop. And that's basically it. It's basically just a bolt rig for eels. And I got some rod rests out and a feed rod over the ledge. So all that gave was just tiny little twitches like that. First I just thought it was wind, but it wasn't. It was an eel. So I'm quite happy now I've caught one. I'm just hoping there's a bigger one in there by the time it gets dark. So I wouldn't mind catching a PB, you know. I don't think we all would. But that's just optimism. I've also had a little tiny perch as well. And I've got a second rod just to the side that I'm using as a sleeper. I've got tiny little smelt on there, they're about this big. It's turtle food basically. So yeah, I threw a few scatterings of like half of them, like half smelts. And I've got one on the hook, the full one. And I'm just waiting for that alarm to go off. And that'll show me whether I've got a fish. I'll just keep doing this now. There we go. Oh no, is that interesting? Right, so I'll get this cast back out and see if there's another one in my swim.
Yeah.
Massive.
Yeah.
Look back. It's not an eel. It is a perch.
Smile. Selfie.
Yay.
Well, that's the thing I want to say really, but it is raining. Trolley's blown away like 7 times.
At least I'm fit now. Try to be gentle, because if you struggle with them, that's when they go very quick. See? Get out of there.
Got your face, you'll enjoy this one.
So we come out for eels, we finally got one. It's not a big one, it's probably less than half a pound, but there's not a mark on it. It's a lovely little fish. I say that, but it's not a lovely little fish, I ate them. Just can't hold it. There he is, look. So we've been here over an hour, and we're just modding his head now. He seems to calm it down. And the boat's just come through the lock. And I'm just saying, we should have at least had a baby one by now. And just as I said it, the rod started twitching, and we got a little baby eel. It's not too bad now. So, I think we're slipping back. Right, now, he's trying to bite me. I'll get back. I'll put with this on.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. We managed 2 eels out of this session. So we caught what we came after, that's the main thing. I only come eel fishing because last summer I met the Waterways guys when I was landing a carp down in the local marina, and they said that they had a job out here and they had to empty the lock, and there was massive eels in it, and they were going, thick as my arm they were. So I thought, you know, this year we'll come out and try and catch them. I probably need to fish in the dark or something like that, maybe to get the big ones, but how I've seen it is when there's a boat come through, I think they get pushed out of the vents in the side of the lock, and that's when you can pick them up. Because when I've been fishing it just now really, it is about 10 foot lower than it should be. But we managed some, so that's the main thing. It's worked. Just dumping maggots in to get some eels. I know it's a bream then. Well, they're very skinny bream they are. So anyway, thanks for watching again. Comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. Check out the Facebook page, that'll be in the description. And don't poo in the bath, and I'll see you next time.